fix public.com stock transfer delay step by step. So if you're trying to make a stock transfers on the public.com app or the website directly, this can generally take about 7 to 10 business days to process if the information matches perfectly. Now, delays often occur due to incorrect account numbers, unsettled trades, or holding fractional shares. In order to fix this, first is to check the ACATS eligibility. Ensure that the assets you're transferring are eligible, like crypto or 6-month T-bills. Fractional treasuries and fractional bonds cannot be transferred via ACATS and must be liquidated. You must ensure that the account name, number, and DTC number for both public and the other brokerage are identical. All stocks must be settled T+1 before a transfer can begin. If you recently bought or sold, wait at least 24 hours after settlement. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.